Quick touch now by Nesterov, the strike, and a goal! Go, 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 goal! Zach Nesterov, a nice strike into the back of the net, and it is 1-0. The Carlsbad Lightning in this championship match lead. On the near side, Nick Oden on a nice run. Oden, a save, and a goal! Go, 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 goal! Zach Nesterov, but it got started by the shot by Nick Oden on a beautiful run down the right flank. And off of the rebound, Zach Nesterov the goal. And it is now 2-0, or 2-0, as they say in soccer. Now he's got Hayashida in support. Hayashida into the box. To Nesterov, the shot and a goal! Go, 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 goal! He is dangerous. Number 10, Zach Nesterov, cleaning it up on a nice offensive play down the field. He and Hayashida, and Nesterov comes off with a round of applause. 3-0 Carlsbad Lightning here in a championship match. We hope you enjoyed all the action here from the Tidelands Park in Coronado, California. I'm Greg G.K. Porter for George Landvin on the video camera, saying take care of yourself, God bless, and as always, remember to save this one on the hard drive. Bye now.